Hello everyone, I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today in this video, we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 7th of May 2022. So, this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay. So, which small financing bank has named Anshul Swami as its managing director and chief executive officer? So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Shivalik Small Finance Bank. So basically Anshul Swami has been named Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Shivalik Small Finance Bank. So basically Anshul Swami nomination has already been accepted by the Reserve Bank of India. So basically Anshul Swami succeeds Suvir Kumar Gupta, who was co-founder the bank and guided it through its transformation from urban cooperative bank to a local finance institution. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to which of the following organization India's economy will recover in 13 years despite being among the worst affected by the pandemic? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is RBI. So recently the Reserve Bank of India in its latest report said India was one of the worst hit nation during the COVID-19 pandemic, and that is will take up to 13 years for the India to fully recover from the scars of the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so now move to the next question. In April 2022, what was the gross revenue collection of the GST? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 1.68 lakh crore. So GST, also known as Goods and Service Tax collection, hit an all-time high of rupees 1.68 lakh crore in April, indicating strong economic activity despite multiple headwinds and better tax compliances. So the April number is up to 20% from the year earlier and rupees 25,000 crore more than the previous highest of rupees 1.42 lakh crore in March in this year. Okay, so now next question. Which state chief minister officially opened India's first ethanol plant, which cost rupees 105 crore and was built by Eastern India Biofuels Private Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Bihar. So the Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has inaugurated India's first ethanol plant in Purnia district in Bihar. So the plant has been set up by the Eastern India Biofuels Private Limited at a cost of rupees 105 crores. So Bihar came up with the ethanol production promotion policy in the first half of 2021. Okay, so now next question. Which state has started the Mukhyamantri Mithan Yojana to provide 100 public service at the doorstep? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Chhattisgarh. So the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh has launched Mukhyamantri Mithan Yojana. So basically Mithan stands for friend, which will be implemented on a pilot basis in 14 municipal corporations, including the cities like Raipur, Durg, Bisalpur and Ranjanagaon in Chhattisgarh. So under this scheme, the resident of Chhattisgarh can avail around 100 public service at their doorstep. Okay, so now next question. Who has been appointed as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's advisor? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Tarun Kumar. So recently the former Petroleum Secretary Tarun Kumar has been appointed as an advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi according to government order issue. So basically Kapoor, a 1980-70 batch IAS officer of the Himachal Pradesh, retired as the Secretary of the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas on November 30 in year 2021. Okay, so now next question. Rajiv Ranjan's nomination as a member of the Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee has been approved by the Central Board. So the Monetary Policy Committee has how many members? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 6. So the Reserve Bank of India Central Board has approved the nomination of Rajiv Ranjan as a member of the Monetary Policy Committee. So basically he replaced Mridul Sagar, who retired last month. Okay, so now next question. Who has been appointed Google's policy head? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Archana Gulati. So the Archana Gulati has been appointed as a policy head of Google. Basically, she has earlierly served the key think tank NIT Aayog as a joint secretary. Okay, so now next question. According to the IMF, India will reach the $6 trillion threshold by which year? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 2029. So the IMF has projected that India would achieve the 5 trillion USD mark by the year 2029. So the India is the 3 trillion USD economy and stand as the 6th largest in the world. So basically the government of India had put forth her ambitious target of achieving 5 trillion USD by 2024. So however, COVID-19 pandemic create havoc on all sector of economy by forcing the markets to close. Okay, so now next question. Who is the head of the Federal Reserve in the United States? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that Jerome Powell. So recently the US Federal Reserve has introduced a hike in the key policy rate. So in a move to contain the inflation that has affected the global market, the US Federal Open Market Committee raised the interest rate by 0.5 percentage. So the change in the position of the US currency has ripple effect on the global economic, including India. So the US Federal is led by the Jerome Powell. Okay.